Imagine your ideal neighborhood. Kids are playing in the street, no two homes look the same, sidewalk streets, and schools, dining, and entertainment all within 1 mile. Welcome to Horton's Creek. If I was going to build a home, it would look a lot like this one. When you first step in, you're greeted by the high ceilings and the second floor balcony. Straight to your left, you have this gorgeous dining room, and the hardwood floors throughout really make the home feel warm and cozy. You have this beautiful butler's pantry area where you could put a coffee nook, or if you really wanted to put some fun drinks, you could do that too. And through here, welcome to your beautiful updated kitchen with quartz countertops and freshly painted cabinets. And you'll also find this beautiful navy blue in the center. I think it's really fun and gives it a little bit of a modern touch in a warm and cozy home. This is one of my favorite little corners of the home. It's perfect for kids to do their homework, or you can make it a mini at-home office. And welcome to the heart of the home. I love this living space. It has amazing natural light, and I just feel that it has traditional intention. A beautiful feature of this home is the screened-in porch. It's super cozy, and you have these built-in curtains that you can close for even more privacy. And just outside of your screen porch, you'll find your amazing deck built with Trex. This is perfect for grilling and gathering. I love this primary. It has such amazing natural light. It's extremely spacious. I mean, this is a king-size bed and you still have plenty of room on the sides. You get to walk in through your beautiful double doors from your primary bedroom. You're greeted by a ton of storage on the double vanities, but this is my favorite part. You have a garden tub and a beautiful walk-in shower. Aside from your primary suite, you also have 3 spacious bedrooms upstairs and a bonus room. And this is where entertainment happens. Over here you have an amazing wet bar, and this room could really be anything that you imagine. It's great for the kids, a great media room, or you could even make it a movie theater. But over here, you'll find your 5th bedroom and your full bath, perfect for guests. Horton's Creek is truly such a special neighborhood where no two homes look the same, and you have endless walkability to schools, restaurants, entertainment, and to greenways. Don't miss your chance to call Horton's Creek home and schedule your tour today.